back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video, it's gonna be another unboxing as has been my trend on my channel. And in this video, we will be unboxing a Galaxy Watch 3. Samsung recently launched their third iteration of their Galaxy Watch, and in this video we will be unboxing it, checking out the contents of the box and see what's in there for us. And I'm pretty excited for this video because this is going to be my first ever smartwatch. Before this, I've used quite a lot of fitness bands, and I want to see how the world of smartwatches are evolving in this market. So let's dive into this video and check out what's in there for us. So here is the box. I can't wait to unbox this now. Let's dive into the unboxing and open this up. I was waiting for this since long time. Let's opening up the box. And oh, quite a lot of packing by Samsung. So here is the box here, and oh, let's open this up. And here you go. There it is, the Galaxy Watch 3, and looks amazing till now. This is, I think, the 45mm version. This also comes in the 41mm version as well. So let's peel the seal open and see what's in. How's the watch looking for us? And here as well. Open. Are you guys ready for the moment? I'm certainly. So first, here is the watch. You can see with the strap attached. Looks amazing. Keep that aside for a second. Let's check the contents of the box. What other things do we get? And there is a charging brick to charge the to charge the watch, and here is the watch, and this is USB 3.5 on one side. Some paper guide how to use it, and nothing much actually. So pretty much that's it. Let's power the device up. Let's boot this up, and here you can see Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. I'm very excited to use this because this would be my first ever smartwatch. As you can see here, I'm using the Galaxy Fit E before this, and would be shifting to this now. So that's the setup complete of Galaxy Watch 3, and here's the default watch face that Samsung has put for me. It comes with the rotating bezel, which helps in interfacing with the device in this Tizen OS operating system. It's a little bit different from the Wear OS that Android offers and Apple offers for their Watch OS, but I've heard pretty much good reviews about the earlier Galaxy Watches. So let's see how it fares out with me. I will also be testing the battery life of this, and here you can see various activities you can do using this watch. But it still comes with two variants, connectivity options, a GPS only variant, that's this one, and there is another one that comes with a LTE version that gonna be a eSIM programmed in it. And yeah, it's pretty light to me, not very heavy. Approximately 43 grams is the weight of it on the internet, that's written. You can change the straps as well with your liking as you want. And here are loads of sensors that will help in measuring all my body parameters during an exercise, and pretty decent one. Also, you can have many range of watch faces here to change them. I'm going to be changing here, and let's see what's in there for us. And there is, I believe, an NFC option as well. You can also use this for Samsung Pay as well in many countries. and maybe, and also in many countries they I think in South Korea there is an ECG option as well. I'm not sure about it. And yeah, so pretty decent device. And I will be doing up a follow-up video on this, and whether you should buy this, and what are my feelings about it, and we'll be sharing it with you in another video. So that's it for the unboxing here. So thank you guys for watching this video and showering so much love on my videos. Recently my channel has been growing because of you all, and I would really like you to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. YouTube Analytics tells me that 95% of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so press that subscribe button. I'm seeing you. I know you have seen the video and haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And thank you for watching this. I hope you like the watch. And I'm going to be doing a follow-up video on this, in which I will be covering my thoughts and my feelings about this watch, and whether you should buy it or not, and sharing my feelings related to a follow-up video. And share this video to your friends. Check out more of my videos, and stay tuned for more content coming soon. Thank you.